Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I am actually packing my stuff up so that I can move back to England. I've been here in Greece for like the past 6 months now and it is time for me to go back. It's funny because when I first got here I kind of felt like I would just stay here for like forever. I didn't feel like the time would come where I have to go, but it's that time and I need to pack my suitcase because I'm leaving tomorrow morning and I haven't packed yet. I thought I would take the opportunity and film a pack with me video and do a bit of a travel vlog. So yeah, that's what you're seeing in this video. I generally tend to post lifestyle and creativity based content, so if any of that is your cup of tea, then why not subscribe and click the notifications bell to be notified when I next upload. Okay, so I've got a few things in here that I didn't really have anywhere else to put and I packed over the summer. I'm going to sort all that out and then I'm going to start by packing my clothes. So yeah. Of course I need some music. Junie just jumped in there. So I've packed up all my clothes and put them in my suitcase. My suitcase isn't fully packed yet. I've still got quite a few things to put in my suitcase, but I just wanted to weigh it and see how much space I've got left, which is not a lot. I think I might start packing my hand luggage. I'm not going to put that much in there, but yeah. So it's quite a few hours later now. I am still like kind of packing, kind of not. But my suitcase is overweight and I'm gonna have to make too many sacrifices. It was overweight when I came on the way over, but I got away with it without having to pay. We decided to book another suitcase for me to take with me.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
I've landed in Athens airport. I am now going to wait for my next flight and I really hope you can hear me. I feel like I'm shouting. So I'm in Athens airport now. I'm waiting for my next flight, which is at 1:30. It's currently about 10 o'clock.
Θα θέλαμε να σας ενημερώσουμε ότι σύμφωνα με τις οδηγίες του εθνικού οργανισμού στους χώρους αεροσταθμού.
This is kind of silly, but I'm kind of worried about how I'm going to eat lunch because I've got like a 10 to 12 hour journey. I'm not really sure, but it's definitely at least 10 hours. And I ate breakfast today at like 6 o'clock, and I don't know when I'm going to eat again. Like, because I'm not meant to take my mask off and I'm not really meant to touch it much either. So I don't really know what I'm going to do with that. I don't really want to go outside. I don't like eating in front of people anyway, and I've kind of found like a little corner in the airport that's kind of quiet. And I don't know what I'm going to do about food because, yeah, I'm not meant to take my mask off and I'm not meant to really touch it, so I don't really want to move it around. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but I kind of have to eat because I'm on like an 11-hour journey and I've eaten some toast this morning at 6 o'clock and I won't get in until like 6 o'clock this evening. So I don't know. Oh, 6 o'clock this evening, but English time, so like 8 o'clock my time. And I'm at the bus station waiting for my bus. So I probably look extremely rough right now, so I apologise for that in advance. But I'm finally in my accommodation. I've got the worst headache in the world. Okay, maybe not the worst, but I'm pretty sure it's like on the verge of being a migraine at this point. So that's fun. And it is so hot in my room. I've opened my window, so sorry if you can hear noise from outside. Yeah, I've opened my window. It's just so hot and it's just really not helping with me not feeling well. But on the bright side, my orders have arrived. They were already in my room, which is perfect. And I now have to isolate for the next 2 weeks, so that's fun. So it's a bit later now. My headache's like almost gone, so I'm really happy about that. And I think I'm ready to start unpacking. I've got my bed over there, obviously, and the sheets. Yeah. So I think I might put my bedding on first because that's the most important. Okay, so it is the next day. I woke up about an hour ago. It's like 7 o'clock, and today my friends Emma and Hannah are bringing my stuff, but you're not going to see that in this vlog. I'm actually doing a room transformation video that's going to go live like maybe in a week, maybe a bit longer, we're going to see. I'm really happy with the lighting in my room. Like, it's 7 o'clock and I could film if I wanted to. I think that is everything for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, and why not subscribe and click the notifications bell to be notified when I next upload. I've got a couple of moving vlogs coming up. Well, this is one. I've got my room transformation coming up soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.
This is when you were broke and poor. You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there.